Imagine waking up to find your money has multiplied overnight, not because you struck gold in your sleep, but because your AI sidekick has been working while you were dreaming of sheep. Let's dive into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing personal finance and investing as we know it. Forget about those days of poring over financial statements or trying to decipher the cryptic advice from your stockbroker. The future is here, and it's powered by algorithms that can make even the most complex financial decisions seem like child's play. First off, let's talk about AI-powered financial tools. These aren't your run-of-the-mill calculators. We're talking about software that can predict market trends with the precision of a seasoned Wall Street psychic. Think of them as your personal financial oracles. They analyze vast amounts of data, from global economic indicators to social media sentiment, to give you insights that would make even Warren Buffett nod in approval. But what if you're not just looking to dip your toes in the investment pool? Enter robo-advisors, the new cool kids on the block. These digital advisors take all the guesswork out of investing. You fill out a questionnaire about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and perhaps your favorite color for fun, just kidding about that last one, and they craft a personalized investment portfolio for you. They rebalance your investments, manage your tax implications, and do all this while you binge-watch your favorite series. It's like having a financial advisor who doesn't ask for lunch money or talk your ear off about their golf game. Now, how do you leverage these technologies? Here's a crash course. Step 1. Know thyself. Before you let an AI manage your money, understand your financial goals. Are you saving for a beach house in Bali, or perhaps just trying to retire before you turn into a meme? Your AI needs this info to work its magic. Step 2. Pick your AI buddy. Not all AI tools are created equal. Some are like the Swiss Army knives of finance, offering everything from tax optimization to estate planning. Others might just be good at one thing, like picking stocks. Choose wisely, or at least choose one that doesn't make investing seem more complicated than assembling IKEA furniture without instructions. Step 3. Engage, don't disengage. Just because you've got AI doesn't mean you should check out. Keep an eye on performance, tweak your settings as your life changes, and remember, AI can suggest, but you're the one who decides if you want to live like a king or a commoner. Step 4. Educate yourself. AI is making finance more accessible, but that doesn't mean you should stop learning. Understand the basics of how these systems work. It's not just about trusting the machine, it's about knowing when to question it. The beauty of AI in finance is not just in the numbers, but in the empowerment it offers. It democratizes investment strategies that once were the preserve of the elite or the very educated. Now, whether you're a busy parent, a student living on ramen, or someone whose idea of investment was once limited to buying lottery tickets, you can potentially grow your wealth with the help of technology. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. AI can do a lot, but it's not infallible. Market crashes, unexpected global events, or just plain bad luck can still turn your portfolio upside down. That's why you should treat AI as a brilliant assistant, not a financial deity. So there you have it. AI isn't just changing the landscape of technology, it's redefining how we think about and handle our money. Whether you're looking to make your first investment or diversify your existing portfolio, AI is here to ensure you're not just keeping up, but potentially staying ahead. And just when you thought finance was all about spreadsheets and stress, AI comes along to add a dash of fun, efficiency, and perhaps a sprinkle of that financial magic we all secretly hope exists.